Hey guys, Chris again from ClassicVWBugs.com, and in this video, have you ever tried to start a Beetle motor that's been sitting for a long time? Well, my 54 oval window ragtop that you see sitting up there on the lift is all gutted and ready for the body shop. So of course, one of the things we do after we gut the car is take the motor out. So we saw this motor, we put it up on the bench, and I said, wow, this motor's been sitting for 30 plus years. It's the original motor to the car. Maybe she'll start. So we rotated the crank pulley a few times and it wasn't frozen. We checked the end play. There was no end play. All right, let's give it a shot. Watch this.
Holy shit!